Hey guys, DIY Car Guy here. Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today, she's getting new headlights. So I ordered these off Amazon. It comes with the actual headlights itself and then the blinker lights too. Blinker lights are right here. And I got them because they were still the clear housing. Like I said, with the same thing with the taillights, I didn't really want to, ruin the visibility. And it's got the kind of black housing around it, gives it that little sleeker look, and it doesn't have the orange like how these have. It doesn't have the orange side marker anymore. So I'm gonna show you guys how to pop the old headlights out and put these new ones in. All right guys, so first things first, you're gonna want to pop the hood, and you're gonna see these. I'm almost positive it's the same kind of style from 99 to 02 and then 03 to 06. It's just the headlights are obviously different. But you just take this, you pull it up towards you, and then you slide it towards, in this case, the passenger side. Just kind of slide it up under that thing, under your grill shield, I guess. And then it just slides out. You don't really need any special tools for that. And it's pretty crazy because that's it. And then this thing comes out. I mean, obviously you got to unhook the lights from the back of it, but that's it for those. And you can just see it. And right back there, you just unscrew these. Or you can, I might actually just unplug them. Just be careful if you're unplugging them, because if you pull these clips too hard, they'll break. Like if you pull these little tabs back too hard, they'll break. So just be careful when doing that. Don't try to pull them out too hard. But I mean, that's it. That old one's out. Headlights are still in it, so I'll transfer those over to the new one. But now I'm gonna start working on getting those out. All right, now to get these little side blinker markers out, it slides in at an angle. I can come show you on the new ones. It slides in to a slit right there, and then it clips in right here on the outside. So on the old one, to get it off, you just want to find the clip right in there. Put your finger on it, and I might need two hands. You'll just push in on that clip, and that should pop out. I'm gonna use both my hands, so I'm gonna set you down for a minute, but I'll come back here. And there we go. I just used both hands because you got to put a little bit more force on that clamp. But I mean, that's out. So all you gotta do is just unscrew the bulbs from the back of this, because they don't unplug from this one. You gotta unscrew them. But unscrew the bulbs from the back of that, and then I'll get them in on this side. All right guys, so I got the old one out. I got all the clips out. Excuse me. I'm just gonna show you real quick how to put the new one in, just in case you didn't really see how that one came out. It's real easy. You see, like, this little tab will slide in right behind there, and then clip in right there. So this clip will go there. So you just have to like put it in like this, and then just kind of slide it and it'll pop in. And also, just like with the taillights, I like to keep this little plastic film on it, just in case, you end up scratching it. You won't get it dirty with your hands with that, and then you'll just install it and then just peel the plastic off, and it'll be nice and good. So I'll get to doing that. All right guys, so plastic is off, they're in. I think they look really good compared to the old ones. But let me know what you think. I'll put them both in, show you what it looks like with that. I'm gonna be replacing these. I already replaced this one with an LED, but I'm gonna be replacing these with LEDs and those with LEDs. Just can't really afford that right now. It's gonna be happening soon. I have a company that I like to go with. No, I'm not sponsored by them. I just feel like I have to put that out there. But I've tried them before on one of my older cars, and I was blown away with it. They were crazy. But and they didn't break the bank either, so I'll make a video on that. You know, I'll tell you where you can get those. But I think that's just gonna be it for this video. It's just a real quick video on just how easy it is to change these headlights out. There's nothing to it whatsoever. There's no bolts, there's no special tools. It's literally, if you can flip this up, this right here, if you can flip this up, push it out, and you know how to work clips, you can change these taillights. This literally maybe took me, I don't even know, it's a little bit longer than what this video is going to be. So I don't know, probably about 5 minutes. And that's the first time I've ever changed these headlights out in anything like this. So it's real easy. There's nothing to it. So if you like the video, like and subscribe. There's gonna be a whole bunch of stuff coming out. I've been going over this through my previous videos and all that, so just stay tuned. There's gonna be tons more mods to this, the Jeep, the little car that I got, even other cars. I'm gonna have other cars on the channel most likely that aren't mine, like my wife's sister's car. It's got issues. I'll probably be fixing stuff on it or doing stuff with it. But just like, subscribe, let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you want to see. Comment below. Yeah. So until next time.